In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to add subscribe animation like the ones you can see on your screen right now to any video. Now, doing this is very easy. Now, the first thing you need to do, just search for this. Download copyright free subscribe animations. Now, once you search for this, it's going to give you, some options like different, legit websites. So I would suggest that you go with Pizza Bay. So once you come into the website, you're going to see a lot of options. So you have to choose the one you actually prefer. So let's scroll down and wait for the website to load. As you can see, it's fully loaded now. Now make sure that the subscribe animation that you're actually downloading are the one that have green screen. Because if it does not have green screen, it's not going to work. So as you can see, there are so many types in here. So just go ahead and download any one that you feel like and open your Capcut app. So I show you how to apply it on your video. Now, once your Capcut app is open, simply import your video file. Now, you can actually do this with any Capcut, either that of PC or that of mobile devices. It's going to work on any of them. Now, import your main video. Now, once you are done importing your main video, if you are using a PC, you have to drag it. You drag it in here. So once you drag it in here, you see that it's going to be playing. So if I play this, you see that the video is actually playing, but there's no subscribe button. Now, in order for us to add a subscribe button, we have to import that green screen subscribe animation. So once we import it, we are going to have to overlay it on the video. So if you are using a mobile device, look for the button that says overlay and overlay it on top of it. But if you are using a PC, all you have to do is just drag it on top of your main video. So once you drag it on top of your main video, it's going to be looking like this. So right now you can see that it's actually there, but it's actually covering your main video. So in order for us to fix this, all you have to do, just make sure that you tap on the subscribe animation. So let me click out first. So if I click out, you can see that nothing is selected. So we are going to have to select the subscribe animation. So once you select it like this, then simply just click on this remove BG, which means remove background. So once you click on this, click on chroma key and then select the green section of the screen. So let me remove my marker. So once I bring it back to the screen, you can see that all I have to do is just select my screen. So once I select it, the green is going to disappear. So I can go ahead and also increase the intensity a little bit. Then all I have to do, I can reduce the size and increase the size. So you see that. So let's just balance the size a little bit, and now you can place it at the left side, right side, middle, anywhere of your video. So in this video, I'm going to put it, let me just put it in the middle like this. Also, you can adjust the sound. So if I click on the audio, I can actually adjust the sound of this animation. So I can either increase the sound, reduce the sound, or use my normal sound. So you see that. So now let's play this video and see how everything is going to look like. So if I play this video, you can see there's now a subscribe animation in the video. So that's how to get it done. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.